Ang hirap naman talaga mag-explain. Ay.
Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. MaryAnn here. In today's video guys, I'm about to review the product from Wet n Wild. I got this from Walgreens. I got only 3 shades because I just want to try on 3 shades. And yeah, so I'm gonna let you know I got mine in Walgreens, and the price is 5 something, and they have a discount, and it cost me $4.29. At Walgreens it cost you $4.29, and at Walmart it's $4.79. I'm looking at my laptop right now to look you know, the prices. If you go to Wet n Wild site, it costs you $4.99. At CVS it's $4.99 each, the lipstick. This product guys claims that, I'm gonna read it right here: what glides on like butter, feels like a second skin and won't budge, or liquid catsuit matte lipstick made by Glam Out Superpowers. It goes on glossy yet transform into a high pigmented matte finish with some serious staying power. I'm gonna tell you later what I think about this product. And it says here, the good thing about this product guys is not tested on animals. Yeah, thumbs up for that. It's very pigmented. Yes, it's very pigmented, very pigmented, which is thumbs up also. And I'm gonna talk about every color. These shades 925B and the Give Me Mocha. There is one thing I observed about this this color. The color in here, when you apply twice, when you apply second coat, this color here is so different from the second coat. It's getting nicer. I'm not kidding you. This is a good thing. It's nicer and it's not heavy. It feels like, you know, sticky from the beginning. When you apply twice, it's make it more like not too dark. It's like darker than this color. It's I don't know how to explain guys. And this color guys, in this shade guys, this one, let's talk about this one. And this is in the shade of 931B, and the name of Video Vixen. My god. While I'm taking it off, it's kinda really hard, and also it's the red one is you have to apply a bunch of times to get the the lip to cover all the color to your lips, but this color, it's really pretty. That's why I got it. Okay, I like, and I noticed that if I wear a dark lipstick, I like it. It just looks good on me. I'm not saying that I love my own. No, I'm just saying that I like to have a dark color and even a brown color on me. I like it, so that's why I picked this up. And then the downside about this, guys, the color is true. Whatever you see in here, it's true when you put it onto your lips. Even though I apply this 3 times, I reapply and reapply and reapply until it get to cover my lips. The first application, guys, it's not really pigmented. The thing that I noticed about this, guys, is this one. The first one I did is very pigmented. First application, it's cover up the lips. You don't have to apply twice, but I decided to apply twice to see the color if it's still the same. And this one, the first application, it won't cover my lips. Is for me naman, it's not really pigmented. You have to reapply it. You have to reapply. I reapply, I think, 4 times to cover up in this area here. The top one is cover up, but the lower lip on me, it's not really covering up. When you applying, of course, obviously your lips get thicker and it's get tacky and tackier. Like it's like when you do like that, it's like stuck into your lips. Your lips stuck together. It's not just pigmented. I love the color. Yes, I love the color about this, and I'm still going to reuse this one because I love the color and I can just reapply it slightly. I just like kinda to pat it on my lips. The next product I'm going to tell you is the one that I'm wearing right now. It's the 927B Nice to yeah, that one right there, and this is a nice color, and it's kind of purpley pink. It's kind of purpley pink, and I love it. I'm going to tell you something about this. When I first apply it, I love it. What you see right now, guys, this is the color, right? This is the color. I kind of look this different, but I'm gonna try this second time to apply a second time to you guys to see the colors change. I mean, it's not going to change, but I get a little darker if I apply second coat, but it's really nice. I mean, in person, it's not in the camera. In person, it get nicer and nicer when you apply, but don't apply like 3 times. The second coat already is enough, and it's really nice color. That's the second coat, guys. Real life here with me looking at the mirror. If I put the bottle close to my lips, I can see the difference of the color. The color on my lips, it's darker. The same shade, but it's darker. I don't know how to explain it, but it's darker. It's kind of reddish pink, purpley kind of thing. It's hard to explain. This is lighter. I think you notice it too, right? You can tell the difference. Oh, it feels good. It feels very pigmented. I love it. If it's worth it buying this product, yes, it is worth it. It doesn't say case proof, but I'm gonna try it anyway because I'm a case proof thing. Oh my god, guys, look, did you see that? There's nothing. Well, there is a little transfer thing, something transfer, whatever. Overall, it's nice, but I kind of have a downside with this because I have to reapply the darker color. I have to reapply a lot to get all cover up my lips. It's matte, as in matte. Ang hirap naman talaga mag-explain. I'm just gonna leave it on my lips, and then I'm going to be right back and check up with you how my lip goes when the days goes by, and if I drink, when I eat, something like that. And I will let you know how it feels later, and if it's transfer, and if if it's like faded. So I will see you later, guys. I will be right back. I will check in with you. Time check, it's 10:41. It's right here on my laptop. I can't show you my laptop, but time check, it's 10:41 now, and I will be back. Bye. Hi guys, I am back, and time check, it is 2:41 already. And I noticed, let me see, I don't have a mirror here, But I noticed the lipstick is still here. And Tommy, I asked my husband, he says, why you don't put lipstick in the inner lip? Well, I've been eating, but when I do like this, guys, it's still kind of like stick a little bit, but this doesn't bother me at all. And it's not even take off from here, but the inner part is still have few left in there. It's still intact, and it's not. It's transfer, but it's not like crazy transfer. So I will see you later, and that's it, guys. And yeah, I will be right back. It's 8:20 in the evening, guys. Hi guys, good evening. I am back, and looking at my lips right now, guys. The lipstick, guys, is still on my lips. I mean, it doesn't like, I've been eating and drinking. We just had dinner. It's really matte. That is not really like make my lips hurt, because some of matte lipstick, it's really like heavy, but this one, it's really light. Is this worth buying, guys? Yes, it is worth buying. The price, yes, you should buy this one. Yes, I love this product. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.